In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image into another image using Microsoft Word and how to make the background transparent. This is a very useful trick if you're creating posters, certificates, thumbnails, invitations, or even simple photo edits without using Photoshop. Microsoft Word actually has built-in tools that let you layer pictures, remove unwanted backgrounds, and position everything neatly in just a few minutes. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a blank document. Once your document is ready, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Click on Pictures, then select Pictures and choose the first image you want to use as your main background. This could be a photo, a design template, or any image you want as the base. After inserting it, click on the image to select it. If the picture is too large, you can drag the corner handles to resize it and make it fit properly on the page. Next, you need to insert the second image, which will be placed on top of the first one. Go back to the Insert tab, click Pictures again, and choose the second image from your computer. Once the second image appears in the document, click on it to select it. Now go to the Picture Format tab on the ribbon. From there, locate the option called Remove Background. Click it, and Microsoft Word will automatically highlight the background area that it thinks should be removed. At this point, you can adjust the selection if needed. If Word removed parts of the image that you want to keep, click Mark Areas to Keep, then drag over those parts. If some background areas remain, click Mark Areas to remove and highlight them. Take your time here, because this step is what makes the image look clean and professional. Once you're satisfied, click Keep Changes. Your image will now have a transparent background. Now, to place this image on top of the first image, click the transparent image again, then go to Picture Format and click Wrap Text. From the menu, choose In Front of Text. This is important because it allows you to freely move the image anywhere on the page. After that, drag the transparent image and position it directly on top of the first image. You can resize it by dragging the corner handles, and you can rotate it using the circular rotation icon at the top if needed. If you want the images to stay together as one design, you can select both images by holding the Control key and clicking each picture. Then right-click and choose Group. This keeps them locked together so they won't shift separately. Finally, save your work by clicking File, then Save As, and choose where you want to store your document. And that's it. You've successfully inserted one image into another image in Microsoft Word and removed the background to make it transparent. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.